In today's video, I'll be showing you how ND filters can enhance your footage. ND2, ND4 and ND8 help control light, giving you smoother motion and better exposure in bright conditions. With a 67mm ring adapter on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, I'll demonstrate how each filter works when to use them. I'll be testing all of these filters on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, showing real-time side-by-side comparison so you can see the differences for yourself. Do these filters really improve your footage, or are they just a gimmick? Let's find out. For me, the biggest advantage of the photography kit with Xiaomi 15 Ultra was the ability to use 67mm adapter ring that I can start using different kind of filters like CPL, ND or fluorescent filters or any kind of other. And you will see today how to use a Pro mode camera with Xiaomi 15 Ultra to get the best Pro footage from this phone. Lens filters can significantly enhance your photos and videos by controlling reflections, color balance and light interference. Today, let's break down the three essential filters: CPL, FLD or fluorescent light correction, and UV ultraviolet. A CPL filter helps reduce reflection from water, glass and other shiny surfaces while also enhancing contrast and colors. It's perfect for outdoor photography, making skies look deeper, foliage more vibrant, and cutting glare from water for crystal clear reflection. By rotating the filter, you can adjust the intensity of the effect based on your scene. An FLD filter is designed to correct fluorescent lighting, reducing the green or purple tint that artificial lights can cast on your photos. It's particularly useful for indoors shots when mixed lighting can create unnatural skin tones or color shifts. With FLD filter, you get more natural and balanced colors without needing heavy post-processing. And the coolest thing is actually how camera now looks like. This filter will give you some really cool perspective for the photos, like for the portrait photos. If you don't want to have a lot of processing in the Photoshop afterwards, then you can use this FLD filter. It will look cool. A UV filter blocks ultraviolet light, which can sometimes cause hazy or washed out images, especially in high altitude or coastal environments. While modern camera sensors are less affected by UV light than film cameras, a UV filter still serves as an excellent protective layer for your lens, preventing dust, scratches and accidental smudges. Neutral density filters, or ND filters, are essential tools for controlling light without altering colors. They allow you to shoot in bright conditions while maintaining proper exposure and smooth motion. Let's break down ND2, ND4 and ND8 and see when to use them. An ND2 filter reduces light by one stop, cutting brightness by half. It's perfect for slightly dimming a scene while keeping exposure natural. This is useful in soft daylight or during golden hour when you want just a bit more control without drastically changing your camera settings. And if you are interested to know how to use ND filters with action camera, you'll find my video about ND filters and DJI Action 5 Pro. Just click on the link on the top right corner of the screen. An ND4 filter reduces light by 2 stops, allowing only 25% of the light to pass through. This is great for overcast days, when the light is still strong but not overpowering. It helps balance highlights and shadows, preventing sky details from getting blown out in landscape shots. An ND8 filter cuts light by 3 stops, reducing brightness to 1/8. This is ideal for bright outdoor conditions such as midday sun or reflective surfaces like water and snow. It prevents overexposure while allowing for slower shutter speed, which is great for achieving motion blur in waterfalls or smooth cinematic moments in videos. By using these filters with a 67mm adapter on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, I can take full control of exposure without compromising image quality, whether I'm shooting photos or videos, and the filters help maintain natural motion blur, balance highlights and professional looking results. Using these filters with a 67mm adapter on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra allows me to achieve better clarity, colors, accuracy and protection while shooting in different lighting conditions. Each filter plays a crucial role in getting the perfect shot straight out of the camera. This set of filters is very non-expensive. I purchased them for approximately $25 and well, it's actually 6 filters and I would say this is a very good price. And that's not all. In this newer filter set, you're not just getting ND filters, UV, CPL and FLD filter, but also you get a lens cap and a lens hood, making it a complete kit for your camera setup. The lens hood helps reduce glare and unwanted lens flares, while the cap keeps your filter protected when not in use. The best part, you get all this for less than $30, a great value for anyone looking to enhance their photography and videography without breaking the bank. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra comes packed with a powerful Pro camera mode, giving you full control over your shots whether you are capturing photos or videos. In Photo Pro mode, you can manually adjust shutter speed, ISO, focus and white balance, just like DSLR. Plus, the live histogram helps you balance exposure while overexposed areas are highlighted on the screen, so you never lose detail in bright spots. Switching to Video Pro mode, you get the same precise controls, but with one limitation. Exposure value adjustment is not available. Instead, you rely on manual ISO and shutter speed for exposure control. The histogram and overexposure warnings help you fine-tune your settings in real time. With these tools, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra gives you complete creative freedom, making it the perfect choice for photographers and filmmakers who want pro-level results. A key factor influencing exposure value control is that Xiaomi 15 Ultra, unlike its predecessor, has a fixed aperture. This means that the camera's lens opening cannot be mechanically adjusted. This design choice inherently limits the traditional method of controlling exposure through aperture changes. Therefore, exposure adjustments rely more heavily on ISO and shutter speed. Xiaomi software, particularly the HyperOS, plays a significant role in how the camera handles exposure. The system likely employs sophisticated algorithms to optimize exposure based on various shooting conditions. And I must say the camera looks even cooler with ND8 filter. It looks like something really professional in your hands. And if you use them properly in a photo or video mode, then you might get really cool results. I will show you later. Just hang on this video. Those are a set of filters, ND filters, and also CPL, UV, and fluorescent filters. By the way, ND8 filter now is on. Okay, now I'm filming in super macro mode without ND8 filter. Just take a look at all the details you can see. And now I will attach ND8 filter. Just one more final test, filming myself, the skin tone. So now there is no filters. I'm holding ND8 filter like right in my hand. Now that I've attached the ND8 filter, you can immediately see the difference. Skin tones look sharper and more natural, while the colors of the trees, grass and sky appear more vibrant and well balanced. The filter helps control brightness, preventing overexposure while keeping everything rich and detailed. What do you think? Do you like the look with ND8 filter? Let me know in the comments below. And as always guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!